Hi guys, good morning. My name is Christiana. I'm a student at DMZ KAM studying data analytics. First of all, I would like to appreciate the organization of this program for giving us the opportunity to study, and I was able to start my data analytics journey with them. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. God bless you. Okay, so studying has been so easy and so amazing. So currently now I'm done with module 4, which is spreadsheet and SQL, and I'm moving to module 5, which is power of business. Yes, power of business. So far I've learned a lot. I've learned what data analysis is, which is the transformation, collection and organization of data to draw conclusion. I've learned the processes of data analytics, which is to ask, to prepare, to process, to analyze, to share and to act. And also, I've also learned the skill for data analyst, which is visualization, strategy, correlation, big picture oriented, and I think problem solving. Okay, so learning has been amazing. I also created my first graph. Yes, the practical has been so easy to understand, and it's been amazing. The journey has been beautiful. So I really want to appreciate the organizers of this program once again. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to be a part of this beautiful organization. Thank you for motivating us daily, like every day. It has been so beautiful being a part of you guys. Thank you for creating a community where we can ask questions and make our requests known, for putting your resources, your energy, your time together just to make sure this is seamless.